It's charging, guys. It's charging. See, it's charging. So okay guys, recently we received a package from Amazon.in. You guys can see the bill, okay? It's from Amazon.in, and recently I got this package. And guys, so today we're going to be unboxing this package. So before, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below. And if you want to see all the updates, then make sure to be tuned. So all that being said, guys, let's unbox this package. And before that, we're going to do this. It's corona time, so we are not going to take any kind of risks, okay? Use this sanitizer, it's very good. What the hell? Oh! No problem. Okay, let's cut it. Let's cut it from this. Hey! It's a micro USB cable from iVoltaa. Let's check its bill. Here's the bill, okay? It cost me around only 99 rupees. Only 99 rupees, okay? And let's see, is it worth the price or not? Here's the USB cable. My old USB cable was broken, or my phone doesn't get charged very well, so I bought this new one. And this wire is very thick, guys. It's very thick, and there's no way of getting damaged, or it is very long also. See guys, it's very long. Oh my god, it's very, yes, quite frank, it's very long. It's gonna be very useful, I guess. So all that being said, guys, let's test it. Okay, so I'm gonna charge my phone. Okay guys, so my old USB cable was not charging. See, my phone, it's not charging. It's only 2%. It's only 2% charging. Okay, so I'm gonna charge it. So I'm gonna charge this USB cable. Let's see if it works or not. It's charging, guys. It's charging. See, it's charging. It's good. Yeah, it's good. And I'm gonna test it for about 3 days. 3 days, and let's see if this works till 3 days or not. If it doesn't work, then I'm gonna return it to Amazon. Okay. So this is my old USB cable. Let's throw it. Okay, guys. Okay. So guys, we got in this package a bill, a Amazon receipt, a packet, and there's nothing inside beside this. And this is also made in India. Made in India, guys. Made in India. As our Prime Minister Narendra Modi used to say, vocal for local, and this is made in India. We must support Indian products. I request you to buy this product, okay? And it's very useful for mobile charging in day-to-day life, okay? So all that being said, guys, I will see you in the next one. Make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see who I am, then make sure to hit 1K subscribers, okay? All that being said, guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace.